Have you ever contemplated your place in the universe? Let's start with our home, the Earth. Picture Earth as a sphere, roughly 8,000 miles in diameter. That's about the equivalent of stacking 4 million Mount Everests on top of each other. A staggering visual, isn't it? Now let's compare it to some other objects. Imagine a golf ball and a basketball. If Earth were the size of a basketball, the moon would be the size of a golf ball, and they'd be about 24 feet apart. Quite a distance, right? Now, about our radiant sun. If the sun were a giant beach ball, about 9 feet in diameter, Earth would be a tiny pea and they'd be about 1/4 of a mile apart. So when you consider the size of our sun and the vast space that separates us from it, Earth feels pretty small, doesn't it? So if you think Earth is big, think again. Do you feel small yet? Let's go bigger. Picture this. Our solar system is so vast that if the sun were the size of a front door, Earth would be a nickel and Pluto, a mere speck of dust. Now, imagine the distance between these planets. The distance from Earth to Mars, our neighboring planet, is so enormous that it would take a commercial jet flying non-stop over 200 years to cover it. Imagine then the expanse of the entire solar system. If we were to embark on a journey from the Sun to Neptune, the outermost planet, at the speed of light, it would take us over 4 hours. In terms of human-made objects, this distance is equivalent to around 28 billion Golden Gate bridges laid end to end. So, if you've ever thought about taking a quick jaunt across our solar system, you might want to pack a hefty amount of snacks and entertainment. And that's just our solar system. Imagine, our solar system is just a tiny part of something much larger. That larger something is our home galaxy, the Milky Way. A swirling mass of stars, dust, and dark matter, it stretches around 100,000 light years across. Just to put that into perspective, if you were to travel at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to cross it from one end to the other. And the stars, the Milky Way is teeming with them. In fact, there are around 200 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy. That's billion with a B. Each one of these stars could be a sun to its own planets, its own solar systems. And yet, as vast and as populous as the Milky Way is, it's just a small piece of the cosmic puzzle. But the Milky Way is just one of many galaxies. There's so much more out there waiting to be discovered. Now, let's broaden our horizons even more. Imagine a cosmic expanse so vast it's virtually impossible to wrap our heads around it. This is the universe, our universe. It's estimated to be about 93 billion light years in diameter. But what does that mean? Well, light travels at a speed of about 186,000 miles per second. So if you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you 93 billion years to cross from one end of the universe to the other. And what's out there in this unending expanse? Galaxies, lots of them. An estimated 2 trillion, in fact, each brimming with billions of stars and potentially trillions of planets. So just for a moment, consider the sheer scale and the staggering numbers we're dealing with here. Feeling small yet? So far, we've covered space, but what about time? Time, like space, is a vast and fascinating concept that always keeps us questioning. Let's start with the age of the universe. It's estimated to be about 13.8 billion years old. That's billion with a B, folks. Now, let's consider light. Light from distant galaxies takes an unimaginable amount of time to reach us. For instance, light from the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest spiral galaxy, takes more than 2 million years to reach Earth. That means the light we see today actually started its journey when early human ancestors were just beginning to use tools. And here's another twist. Time isn't absolute. Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, we know that time can speed up or slow down depending on how fast you're moving and the pull of gravity. Time, as it turns out, is as mind-boggling as space. In all this vastness, where does life fit in? As we delve into the enormity of the cosmos, we might feel dwarfed, but let's not forget the extraordinary phenomenon that is life. Life, as we know it, is a rare gem, gleaming amidst the cosmic dark. It requires a delicate balance of conditions, a Goldilocks zone where everything is just right. The right distance from a star, the right atmospheric conditions, the right balance of elements. All these factors come together in a cosmic ballet to create the magic that is life. While Earth is the only planet we know that harbors life, the universe is vast and unexplored. Scientists are on a constant quest, peering into the depths of space, searching for signs of extraterrestrial life. The discovery of exoplanets in the habitable zone sparks hope and fuels our curiosity. So, in the grand cosmic theater, where galaxies are the audience and stars the players, life, it seems, is the real mystery. So where does all this leave us? In the grand scheme of things, we've journeyed from the confines of our home planet, Earth, expanding our perspective to the solar system, the Milky Way Galaxy, and beyond to the unfathomable expanse of the universe. We've seen time in its startling breadth, from the blink of a moment to eons that dwarf our human existence. And we've pondered life, its rarity, its fragility, and its tenacity in the face of cosmic odds. This journey through 27 staggering facts should not belittle us, rather it should embolden us. It should remind us of our unique place in the cosmos. Although small, we are part of an intricate, vast, and awe-inspiring universe. Our existence, as we know it, is a testament to the resilience of life and the mysteries of the cosmos. Next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, you're a part of something much larger than yourself.